Hello everyone, welcome to this presentation. I want to talk about the credit card system, how the chip, tap, and magnetic stripe of credit card works. So what is a credit card? A credit card is a thin rectangular piece of plastic or metal issued by a bank or financial service company, which allows a cardholder to borrow funds with which to pay for goods and services with merchants that accept the card as a payment. Credit card impose the condition that the cardholder must pay the borrowed money back. So this is a picture of the credit card. Credit card is has two sides, front and back, and it's made of a chip and magnetic stripe at the back. So on the back of the credit card, there's a black stripe called MagStripe. This is made up of ferromagnetic material that is laminated onto the card. Looking closer, there are tiny magnets of 2 million inches in size, which are oriented in specific direction that carry personal information. To read this information, the credit card is swiped through a card reader. The card reader is made of a solenoid, which is a cylindrical coil of wire like a slinky. When a current passes through the wire of the solenoid, it creates a magnetic field. As the credit card is swiped, it causes a change in magnetic flux. As we know, current is the flow of electrical charge. Magnets create a magnetic field that form loops on the north and south ends. The magnetic flux is defined as the B times A, or the amount of magnetic field through a closer loop with the area of flux changes, if either that magnetic field or area of the loop changes. Then, based on Faraday-Lenz law, explains that a charge in magnetic flux, that is the card being swiped the card reader through the card reader, induces a charge in voltage. Voltage is the charge in potential energy in the circuit. In this case, a light bulb is connected to a battery which supplies 10 volts, and there is a charge of 10 volts that supplies energy to the bulb, which lights up. This represents the charge in potential energy. Now, using the Ohm's law, that I is equal to V over R, current equals the voltage over resistance, tells us that the current is included to the wire of the solenoid and the card reader. As the voltage increases, as each tiny magnet moves through the reader, the magnetic flux charges the changing voltage and direction of the induced current. A program in the card reader processes the charge in the current and translates that into readable information. Then this would allow or deny the transaction. And these are the references. Thank you for watching.